Hello guys, I just thought you might like this fun video. I'm going to rotate the engine 158 revolutions just to show you that that's what it takes to re-establish or reset the timing, the valve timing. So here we've got the cam wheels, the cam pinions. They are 48 teeth. This half-time pinion here is 24 teeth and this main idler is 79 teeth. Hence why it takes this odd number of revolutions to come all the way back to the same settings. So I'm going to go around the back of the machine, get my exercise for the day. I'm going to crank the machine around 158 times and hopefully we will arrive back at exactly these locations. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Six, 157, 158. Oh, I hope that worked. Yes, 158 revolutions to get it right back to where it was in the beginning. Thanks, guys.